Hello and greetings to everyone. Today we are going to treat the degree of accuracy. Degree of accuracy. When we hear the word accuracy, we think of how correct an answer or a solution is. Most often when we perform approximations, the final answer we obtain is an estimate to the true value, to the true answer. Let's take this down. When we approximate a number, we lose accuracy in the calculations using that particular number. That means if we are to perform calculations making use of a particular number and we approximate the number to a certain number of decimal places or significant figures, we lose accuracy in the calculation we are to perform using that number. This is so because approximation either increases or decreases the value of the number. Then we take this note. The best approximations are done at the end of calculations. It simply means if we are to perform approximations in a given problem, the best approximations should be done at the end of the calculation, not at the beginning. If approximations are done before the final result, then more approximations are introduced into the solution, and therefore there is less accuracy in the final answer, which is the result. For example, a given number 320 is an approximation, correct, to two significant figures of an unknown number x, then the unknown number must lie between the whole numbers 315. Remember, if we were to express the number 315 to two significant figures, this is the first. Second, you have to round off. 5 is equal to 5, it is rounded up to 1. We add the 1 to this 110. This will give us 320 and 324. Expressing the number 324 to two significant figures, this is the first. Second, we round off between 4 and 2. 4 is less than 5, it is rounded down to 0. This will give us 320 inclusive, comma, since digits less than 5 are rounded down and digits greater than or equal to 5 are rounded up. Digits less than 5 are rounded down to 0, while digits greater than or equal to 5 are rounded up to 1. That is, x is approximately equal to 320, to two significant figures if and only if 315 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 324. It simply means from this, that is x is approximately equal to 320 to two significant figures, we can go to 315 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 324, and from 315 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 324, we can go back to this. This is the meaning of this symbol, which stands for if and only if. We take down this example. It goes, find the sum of 12.27 kilometers and 24.45 kilometers, correct, to three significant figures. We take solution. We have to add two decimal numbers. We saw how to add decimal numbers. You can check our videos on decimal arithmetic. You will learn so much from it. We are going to start by writing down the first number, which is 12.27 kilometers. Then we are going to arrange the second number in such a way that the Digits with the corresponding place value, they lie on the same vertical alignment. Write kilometers here. 5 is under 7, 4 is under 2, and the decimal points that lie on the same straight line. 4 is under 2 units and 2 tenths is under 1. We put the addition sign, we draw our horizontal line, and we perform addition. While starting from the right hand side, moving to the left, we bring down kilometers. 7 plus 5 gives us 12. We are going to write down 2, we carry 1. 2 plus 4 gives us 6, plus 1 we carry gives us 7. We bring down the decimal point. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. 12.27 kilometers plus 24.45 kilometers is equal to 36.72 kilometers. And we are required to give our answer to 3 significant figures. This is the first, the second, the third. We have to round off. 2 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. This will be approximately equal to 36.7 kilometers. So 3 significant figures. We take this down, but if we start approximating the numbers before carrying out addition, then let's approximate the numbers before we carry out addition. We approximate them to 3 significant figures. We take the first one, 12.27 kilometers is approximately to 3 significant figures. This is the first, the second, third. 7 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. We add the 1 to these 2, gives 3. So this will be approximately 12.3 kilometers, comma. We have to approximate 24.45 kilometers to 3 significant figures. This is the first, the second, the third. 5 is equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. We are going to add the 1 to this 4. This will be approximately 24.5 kilometers. Next, we have to add the 12.3 kilometers to 24.5 kilometers. We are going to start by arranging the 2 decimal numbers that we perform the addition. 12.3 kilometers. We write down the kilometers for the second number. We place 5 under this 3. Put the decimal point. We place 4 under 2 and 2 under 1. Then we add. We bring down the kilometers. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. Bring down the decimal point. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. This will give us 36.8 kilometers. You see 36.8 kilometers is greater than 36.7 kilometers we obtained above. We take this down. 36.8 kilometers as an answer is less accurate than 36.7 kilometers. You can see the difference of the 2 answers. So there is an error the error will simply be equal to, if you take 36.8 kilometers minus the answer, which is obtained when the approximations are done at the end, 36.7 kilometers. This will simply be equal to 0.1 kilometers. This is the error. That's why it is always good to perform the approximations at the final answer. It's not advisable to perform approximations at the beginning of calculations. We are done with the degree of accuracy. In our next video, we are going to treat the writing of numbers in standard form and the manipulation of numbers in standard form. You stay tuned for our next video. Please, if you like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.